Howdy y'all, Stock Warden here, back with another video. And today we're looking at the Nebius Group, and they are a new technology group that we are going to start covering on this channel. This stock came recommended by one of you guys here that was a watcher for YouTube. So thank y'all very much for giving a new stock some interest. So I've done quite a bit of research on it, and it is definitely a stock to behold. The history and the also contributions that this stock and company have been giving through the times over the course of the past year has been absolutely astronomical. If we scale back just over the course of the past year that this stock has been trending, I mean, even just from the beginning of 2026, just over the past 6 months, they went from $80 a share, roughly on average, all the way up over $200 a share, where this stock ended just this past week at $227 a share. So that is a massive increase over the course of the past 6 months. Excuse me. So with Nebius, they are engaged in building full stack infrastructure to service the global AI industry in the United States, the United Kingdom, and internationally. So it offers Nebius builds full stack infrastructures for AI, including large scale GPU clusters, cloud platforms, and tools and services for developers. So this company also provides Triple 10, which is a edtech platform for reskilling individuals for careers in technology, and Avride, which develops autonomous driving technology for self-driving cars and delivery robotics. So it has a very strategic reliance and alliance with NVIDIA Corporation to support the expansion of the company's AI cloud infrastructure. The company was formerly known as Yandex NV and changed its name to Nebius Group NV in August of 2024. So they were founded back in 1989 and is based in the Netherlands. So they are a part of the industry software. They are for the information technology sector with a market cap of $57.8 billion, with a revenue on the past trailing 12 months revenue is $877.9 million. So this stock and company definitely is not short on, well, pretty much anything. They have been able to surpass their expectations on their earnings countless times over and over and over again, which is absolutely great. Their trading volume is on an average 20.8 million as well on their volume for trading. So definitely no shortcoming in the stock as well for them actually moving the needle. So which is also probably why the stock has been able to continuously push upwards as well. So, and then just to kind of dive a little bit into where they're at right now with a few price targets. So BNP Paribas initiates coverage on Nebius with a neutral rating, but they are announcing a price target of $255. So with them currently being at 227 and their highest peak point where they have been able to make at the highest close being at $264 a share, 255 seems a pretty nominal number for them to be able to get to and stay on. So with all of that, this stock definitely seems that it's going to be a continual trendsetter, especially with them building stack groups for AI. That means that they are on the major forefront for all of the AI data centers that have been building. So, because you have one being built in Reno, Nevada, you have a few of them being built in Texas, and also in Florida as well, along with other major data centers being built across the country as well. So, in every single one of them, especially with Nebius being tied with NVIDIA, that means that they will be more than likely supplying a huge load of stacks into these AI data centers because they are the physical construction portion of what actually makes AI and also the held cloud services. So, more or less, if you think of AI in its entirety, they are the physical part that holds the brain of all of AI and all the storage for memory and cloud and things of that nature. So I can definitely see why this company and this stock has done nothing but drive straight up into the stratosphere with their stock price and also with their earnings reports, also with how well they've been doing across the past year. So looking at their 228% year to date gains, it's definitely something to take a look at and watch on where they're heading next. So even though the stock has slid a little bit over the past week, it still doesn't change the fact that they've done nothing but continue to improve and boost yet to a new 52-week high constantly. So it doesn't seem like there has been very many weeks that have went by that they did not make a new 52-week high, especially over the course of this year. So that is something that is going to be awesome, and that they have also been able to announce that Roman Charon, which is the co-founder and chief business officer, they are going to take part in a fireside chat at the BOFA Securities 2026 Global Technology Conference. So, and that session was scheduled for June 3rd. So we're going to be waiting to see a lot of the summary that's going to come out of that. Hopefully it'll come out at the beginning of this week, so we can add that into some of the technological advancements and what they're looking at trying to drive forward from now. So then we can see a little bit more of a forward-looking statement out of the Nebius Group. But as it stands right now, it doesn't seem like they really need a whole lot because they have so much standing behind them, pushing them forward. So it's going to be awesome to see how far and fast that they are able to continue moving as they're going in this direction. So, with all that being said, this is everything that I have on Nebius right now in a nutshell, and bring in a new stock into the fold for the YouTube community. So, if y'all do like this stock and or if y'all have held on to it, then drop it down in the comments below if y'all have seen or heard of this stock even. So, it'd be great to get some more feedback as well for a new rocket stock. So, with all that being said, this is the Stock Warden riding off. So y'all come back now, you hear?